I've got SONY SmartWatch 2 and let me show you how to change faces on the following device. At first you have to unlock the screen, then find and select the settings. Here you've got to scroll down and pick watch faces. And as you can see, you can select up to 3 watch faces to swipe between when the screen is lit. So just tap me on OK, and you can select either 1, 2 or 3 watch faces. So let me pick 3 of them, maybe this one and also this one. And now if we will go back and lock the screen, let me light it. As you can see now, you can change the watch faces easily. Then of course you can switch off 3 of them and pick just one. So let's go back to watch faces, unclick this one and this one, and let's go back, and as you can see now you'll have just one white watch face. So that's it. This is how you change the watch faces on your SONY smartwatch. Thank you for watching, enjoy, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.